What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L. We're getting ready to determine our two lucky mini winners, so they're going to get a spot into the big 500 break for a fraction of the price. Good luck, good luck. Let's do it. We're live. Happy New Year's. Hope you guys have a good night. Live, good luck. 4 times on the random. Get us our winner. It's 908. Newfoundland. We got Pat in spot 1. He's missing the spot 1. And all the way down to Jared, spot 10. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Copy it over. Okay, third timestamp on mini number 1 is at 908. 908 it is. Last and final random is going to give us our winner. Good luck. And there you go. Nathan Redquest, spot number 7. Done it for you, man. Congrats. You just earned yourself a spot in the big 500 break. So congrats. Here's your 4th timestamp on the winner. Timestamp for that one is 908 and just turned 909. So congratulations again. After the 4th random, we got Nathan in spot 7. So congrats, man. Happy New Year, guys, and we'll see you for the big 500 break on Tuesday.